Welcome back. Vlogmas here. It's day one. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Hello. How's everybody doing? Fine, I hope. Today is Monday. No, today is Tuesday, November the 30th. And I am back with Vlogmas Day 1. Slay. This here is from Ali Pearl Hair Company on Amazon. And this is what my hair look like. So let's see what we got in the bag. But before we get into what's in this bag, make sure you are stalking, hawking, following me. We are buddies, besties, pals. Queen Diva Lifestyle. TikTok. IG Bad Girl 30. Snapchat Queen McLean 87. Thumbs up my videos. Get this out. Let's get this to 1K, baby. So this is Ali Pearl off of Amazon. They asked your girl to review a wig, and why would I not? It's Vlogmas, right? So, this is how the hair comes. Package. It is a T144 STW 99J Bob 14. Let me show you. There it goes. Right there. And I think this is gorgeous, honey. My signature color, of course. And this, of course, you have two combs in the front, comb in the back, and adjustable straps. But as you see, I have my wig grip on. Bring me the scissors, please. And so we are going to install this wig together. And this is only because y'all know I am a side part girl. So let's cut this little bit of lace off. Because honey, it got to go. And that is all the lace and a little bit of hair from the shedding. Now, I'm not going to curl or bump it yet because I want to wear it like this. But yeah, this color is the bomb. Do y'all see that? Y'all know y'all can open up that part, pluck it a little bit, put your foundation in, but I am not going to do any of that. Oh, she is beautiful. I am not going to install any baby hairs with this wig because I don't like baby hairs. I'm past that stage in life. But yo, cute, easy slay. And it is a sale going on. This wig was $74.99. Amazon Prime. Go get you one. Be that on for Christmas, that bougie slaying auntie, because, honey, that's who she gonna be. I will come back with a style with the wig, but I love it. It's worth every freaking dollar, and it is gorgeous. And until my next video, stay blessed, not stressed. Later, loves.